Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. 57 Chrysler 300C, she's finally finished, boys and girls. Turned out pretty good. It's an excellent kit. If you guys are looking for a nice kit to build, I'd highly recommend this thing. It's got lots of detail, separate interior parts, so you can really detail up the interior on it. It's got separate frame that glues to the undercarriage, so you can see a lot easier to do your painting, your two-tone chassis, a lot easier on this kit. So I went the extra step and kind of two-toned the bottom on it, and it's set up, it's matched to the interior colors, green and a tan color. The kit basically is stock other than the pulley set that I changed out on it and the air cleaners that I make it off the sprue.com. And I machined some wheels for it, and just used the center of the hubcaps on those machined wheels that I used for the white walls. I was going to go with a wider tire on it, just a black wall, but the car just didn't look right, so I went with the stock tires and machined some rims for it. It's all chromed up, got my foiling done on it. The only disappointment on this kit, the quality is excellent and the fit is fantastic. The only issue I had is with the front and rear bumpers on the sides. The front's the worst. Where's the pointy stick? Where's my toothpick? Along this side here, the chrome is I was going to say the shits, but let's say it's the craps on both sides. And the option was that I either strip it and Molotow it, but Molotow never looks like it, end up looking like chrome anyway when I spray it with an airbrush. So we're just going to live with that the way it is. Back's almost the same way. It's not nearly as bad as the front. But other than that, that was the only disappointment on this kit. Otherwise, everything was basically a dream to fit together. Got some seat belts inside that we made, used embossing powder on the rear parcel shelf and on the carpet. We'll give you a spin around and get you a look at underneath and the front and the back of this baby. Hang on. And we're going to get you up a little bit. Hang on. Going up. Coming down. All right. Front. Oh, coming down more. I did a black wash on the grill. Used some, actually this time I actually used some India ink on it, and it turned out really good. I got my little Canadian flag lapel pins on there. Ta-da! And then we'll swing you around and let you have a look at the back side. Hang on. Went with the exhaust out the back side, like we did on the 63 Impala. Time flies, a year or two ago now. Rather than exit it out the back, just used solder from the end of the mufflers out the back and bent them out the side, and had some little aluminum tips on there. Back side turned out good. Looked cool with the big tail lights. I love that, and the fins. It was a neat time in automotive history, these things. When gas was cheap. We'll swing it back around and get you a look at the engine compartment. Hang on, and we're probably going to go up again. Come on. Yep, we're going up again. Hold on. Now if I can zoom this thing, watch me go the wrong way again. You know this is always a challenge for me. Oh, of course, wrong way. Going in. And the next challenge is it going to focus? Yeah, look at that. It's going to cooperate this time. Wow. Okay. And a little bit of a spin. Yeah. So we got our air cleaners on there. Those were the last things to glue in place, because with all this heater box and blower fan and weird kind of brake master cylinder thing going on here, and whatever the heck this thing is, having a clue. I wanted to glue my air cleaner snorkels and stuff on last because I wasn't sure what position those were going to end up with what's all going on inside this engine compartment. Got battery detailed up. Can't see it in this shot, but you've seen it in my previous videos of pulleys that we've machined for it. And as I said before, it's a smaller set. Got upper and lower rad hose, got my little hose clamps on there, top and bottom. Oil breather tube, oil breather caps on the valve covers. Distributors all wired up. I had this wired wrong. I had the plug wires running up and over the valve cover like a regular V8 until somebody on Facebook pointed out, says, hey, it's like a Hemi. They don't go over and down the side. They're actually under the center of each valve cover. So I had to snip those off and reroute the wires back in the back side of the valve covers. Anyway, we got that resolved. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a nice kit to build, I'd recommend it. Next kit, I've been looking at a couple things. We're gonna machine up some flathead pulleys for the website. So I've got a kit in mind I'm gonna build that's got a flathead in it, and we'll reveal that in the next week or two. And thanks to suggestions from my buddy Wayne Osborne. Asked me if I did flathead pulleys, so we're going to do that on Wayne's suggestion, and we may just send good old Wayne a set in the mail for that suggestion for me. Anyway, we'll have that reveal for you in a week or so, and let you know what the next project's going to be, guys and gals. Anyway, as usual, thanks for stopping by. Wrong way again. Come on, baby. There we go. Any hooser, thanks for stopping by, you guys, and we'll catch you in a week or so and let you know what that new project's going to be. If you're looking for a good kit to build, this is excellent. All right, we'll talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.